The Sealey Service Centre. Since Sealey's establishment in 1978, we've strived to offer excellent customer service. One of the most important aspects of this is the company's renowned after-sales service. The company has continued to grow, even through harsh economic periods. So in 2013, the new service centre was built to ensure the company's after-sales care was not only maintained, but capable of dealing with future growth. The process of dealing with a returned product starts with the customer's call to one of our experienced technical sales team. In this case, a Sealey Mighty-MIG 100XT MIG welder, supplied in 1989, requires a complete service. They arrange for the tool to be collected and returned to the service centre's returns department. It then passes to one of the fully trained workshop engineers, who assess the tool and request the parts necessary to repair it. The fully equipped workshop has a variety of dedicated rooms for testing welders, heaters, pressure washers and compressors, spray guns, impact wrenches and trolley jacks. Sealey hold over 130,000 parts. The smaller items are held in state-of-the-art storage systems. And spare parts ordered before 5:30 p.m. are dispatched on the same day. Once the engineer has fitted the parts and tested the tool, it passes to the pat testing room for an electrical safety test. And finally it's packed and sent back to the customer ready for use. The company aims to carry spare parts for at least 7 years after a product is discontinued, and have parts lists covering the majority of tools sold. These are available via our website at sealey.co.uk. Sealey, offering great products, first-class technical advice and exceptional after-sales service.